Hello and welcome to my Passive Income Prince channel, the channel where you will quickly learn about how to be financially free and enjoy a life of freedom, peace, and happiness. Welcome to our video on the ultimate guide to earning passive income while you sleep in 2024. Today, we'll explore the concept of passive income and its amazing benefits. Imagine having a steady stream of income without having to work tirelessly every single day. That's what passive income can offer you: financial freedom and stability. Throughout this video, you'll learn about different types of passive income, how to get started, and some valuable tips to help you on your journey. So let's dive in and discover how you can achieve financial independence. All right, let's start by understanding what passive income really is. Unlike active income, where you trade your time directly for money, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal effort once the initial setup is done. There are various types of passive income streams, such as investments, royalties, and rental income. Each of these streams can contribute to your financial independence. Passive income is essential because it provides a safety net, allowing you to pursue your passions without worrying about financial constraints. It's a key component in achieving true financial freedom. Now let's talk about investment income. Earning through investments is a powerful way to generate passive income. There are several investment options available, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. To get started with investing, it's crucial to understand the basics and start with minimal risk. One of the more common methods is dividend investing. Dividend investing is a strategy where investors buy shares of companies that pay dividends, which is regular payments made to shareholders from a company's profits. The goal of this strategy is to generate a steady stream of passive income, which can be reinvested or used for living expenses. For many investors, dividends can provide a reliable income stream and play a crucial role in achieving financial independence. When a company earns a profit, it has several options. That is, reinvest it back into the business, buy back its own shares, or distribute a portion of the profits to its shareholders in the form of dividends. Typically, companies that pay dividends are well established, have predictable earnings, and are in mature industries. Dividends are usually paid quarterly, every 3 months, but some companies pay them monthly or annually. The dividend amount is expressed in two ways: dividend per share, DPS, the total dividend payment per share; dividend yield, the annual dividend payment divided by the current share price, expressed as a percentage. For example, if a stock is priced at $100 and pays $4 in annual dividends, its dividend yield is 4%. Dividend investing can be a powerful tool for achieving financial independence because it allows investors to build a passive income stream that grows over time. Here's how. Compounding growth. Reinvesting dividends back into the same stock or other dividend-paying stocks can accelerate the growth of an investment portfolio. For example, if you earn $1,000 in dividends and use it to buy more shares, your dividend income for the next year could increase, creating a snowball effect. Stable income stream. Dividend-paying companies are often stable and established, providing a reliable income stream even in uncertain market conditions. This stability is particularly valuable for retirees or those looking to reduce their dependence on employment income. Potential for capital appreciation. While dividends provide income, the underlying stocks may also increase in value over time, providing both income and growth potential. Inflation. Hedge. Dividend growth stocks, like those in the Dividend Aristocrats Index, often increase their payouts over time, helping to protect against inflation. Dividend investing can be an effective strategy for generating passive income and building wealth over the long term. By carefully selecting high-quality dividend-paying companies, reinvesting dividends, and allowing time for compounding, investors can create a stable and growing income stream that supports financial independence. The advantages of dividend investing is that it provides a steady income stream to investors, which can be particularly appealing to those seeking passive income like retirees. Dividends can be reinvested to compound returns or used as a consistent source of cash flow. However, companies that pay high dividends often retain less of their earnings for reinvestment in growth opportunities. This can result in slower capital appreciation compared to growth stocks that reinvest most of their profits back into the business. Moving on to real estate income. Rental properties can be an excellent source of passive income. To get started in real estate, you'll need to take some initial steps, such as buying your first property and understanding the market. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of real estate investments. On one hand, real estate can offer substantial returns and tax benefits. On the other hand, it requires significant upfront capital and ongoing management. Let me share a case study of a successful real estate investor. Jane started with a single rental property, and through smart investments and market research, she now owns multiple properties, generating a substantial passive income. One advantage of real estate investing is the potential for appreciation and cash flow. Real estate investments can offer both capital appreciation over time as property values increase and regular cash flow through rental income, providing a dual benefit for investors. However, real estate investing typically requires a significant initial investment and has ongoing costs, such as maintenance, taxes, and insurance. Additionally, real estate is not as liquid as stocks or bonds, making it harder to quickly convert into cash if needed. Do you like what you see so far? Give me your comments and what you think of passive income through real estate as well as stock investing where you can. Also, like, share, subscribe, and press the notification button so that you will be alerted when we post new videos on how to make you richer. Moving on to online business and digital products. Creating digital products like ebooks and online courses is an exciting way to generate passive income. The benefits of selling digital products online are numerous. You can reach a global audience, there are low overhead costs, and you can scale your business without significant additional expenses. Let's walk through a step-by-step guide on how to create and market a digital product. First, identify a niche or topic you're passionate about, and that has demand. Then, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Once your product is ready, choose a platform to sell it on, such as your own website or a third-party marketplace. Finally, market your product through social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your target audience. There are many examples of successful digital product creators. For instance, authors who have written best-selling ebooks or educators who have created popular online courses. These individuals have turned their knowledge and skills into profitable online businesses. However, selling ebooks and online courses does have its disadvantages, such as high competition and market saturation. The market for ebooks and online courses is highly competitive, with many creators offering similar content. This saturation can make it challenging to stand out, attract an audience, and generate consistent sales, especially without a strong marketing strategy or established personal brand. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification button to our channel for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Now moving on to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular passive income strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, promote the products using a unique affiliate link, and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial. Look for programs that offer products relevant to your audience, have a good reputation, and provide competitive commission rates. To promote affiliate products effectively, create engaging content that highlights the benefits of the products. Use blog posts, social media, and email marketing to reach your audience. Authenticity is key, so only promote products you truly believe in. A great example of a profitable affiliate marketer is someone who has built a niche blog and consistently shares valuable content, earning substantial commissions through affiliate links. The advantage of affiliate marketing is its low startup costs. Affiliate marketing typically requires minimal upfront investment since you don't need to create a product or manage inventory. You can start promoting products and earning commissions using existing platforms like a blog, social media, or a website. However, affiliate marketing's income is dependent on the affiliate programs and the merchants that you promote. Changes in commission rates, program terms, or the discontinuation of an affiliate program can significantly impact your earnings. What do you think of affiliate marketing? Do let me have your comments below. Finally, royalties and licensing. Earning through royalties is another fantastic way to generate passive income. This can come from music, books, patents, and more. To create content that can generate royalties, focus on producing high-quality, original work. Whether it's writing a book, composing music, or inventing something new, ensure that your content is unique and valuable. There are different types of royalties, such as royalties for music, book royalties for authors, and patent royalties for inventors. Each type works differently, but the common thread is that you earn money whenever your content is used or sold. The advantage of royalties and licensing is its passive income potential. Once an intellectual property such as a book, song, patent, or trademark is licensed, it can generate ongoing passive income without requiring continuous effort from the creator. This allows the creator to focus on new projects while still benefiting financially from past work. However, licensing agreements and royalty arrangements can be legally complex and often require thorough negotiation, legal advice, and ongoing management. Disputes over terms, usage rights, or royalty calculations can arise, potentially leading to costly legal battles or renegotiations. In conclusion, we've covered several passive income strategies, including online business and digital products, affiliate marketing, and earning through royalties and licensing. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification button to our channel for more tips on achieving financial freedom. And do you have any feedback for our channel? Please let us have your comments below. I encourage you to start exploring these passive income opportunities today. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, so take action now. And remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So go ahead and start building your passive income streams today.